Have you ever wanted to make cream-filled muffins but thought the process was too complicated? In this video, I'm going to show you a completely simple and creative method that lets you add the cream inside the muffin before baking. The result is muffins that look amazing and taste absolutely incredible. In this video, I'm going to make cream-filled muffins with a Nescafé flavor. These muffins have a soft and fluffy texture, a smooth cream center, and a creative recipe that makes the process much easier than traditional methods. I promise you, they're so delicious and eye-catching that anyone who tries them will ask you for the recipe. This is the Therapy Cook channel and I'm Lily. For me, baking and cooking are not just about food. They are a form of therapy. That's why I move forward with patience, creativity, and attention to detail. On this channel, you'll learn many different practical and unique recipes. So if you're interested in professional style home cooking, make sure to stay with me. The ingredients for these muffins are divided into two groups. The first group is for the muffin batter, and the second group is for the cream filling. Let's start by making the muffin batter. First, dissolve the instant Nescafé completely in 1/4 cup of hot water and set it aside. Now, crack the eggs into a bowl. Then, add the brown sugar and vanilla. Start mixing the ingredients. Keep in mind that brown sugar can be a bit tricky to mix, rich consistency, and have a light creamy colored mixture. Now, add the melted butter, which should be at room temperature. Then, add the heavy cream and the Nescafé water mixture and mix everything well. At every mixing stage, scrape the sides of the bowl with a spatula. Once everything is well combined, it's time to add the dry ingredients. In the first stage, sift half of the flour with baking powder and cocoa powder into the batter. Then start mixing, preferably with a hand whisk. Once fully mixed, sift in the remaining flour in the second stage. Once you're sure the flour is fully combined, add the ground biscuits. The type of biscuit is completely up to your taste. At this stage, the batter becomes heavier and harder to mix, so be patient and mix well. Once combined, transfer the batter to a clean bowl. Now it's time to prepare the muffin pan. Place the muffin liners into the pan. Add 1 full tablespoon of muffin batter into each liner. Use a slightly wet teaspoon to gently make a hole in the center of the batter, just like I'm doing, creating a space for about 1 teaspoon of cream. Now it's time to prepare the cream filling. Mix the instant Nescafé with 1 tablespoon of hot water until fully dissolved. Then add the heavy cream. Add the brown sugar and egg yolk and mix again. Once the sugar is fully dissolved, add the cornstarch. After everything is fully combined, transfer the mixture to a saucepan. Place it over low heat, stirring constantly until it reaches this thickness. Transfer the cream to a clean bowl to cool slightly. To fill the muffins, about 1 to 1.5 teaspoons of cream per muffin is enough. Place the cream exactly in the center of the hole you made earlier. Now add another tablespoon of muffin batter on top of the filling. Use a damp spoon to gently smooth the surface. Don't press the batter too much, just spread and smooth it. Place the pan in a preheated oven at 365 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. When the muffin tops look like this, they're ready. You can see how easily the muffin separates from the liner and how light and fluffy the texture is. The aroma and flavor are incredible. The cream inside turned out perfectly and makes the muffin even more enjoyable. Thank you for watching this video until the end. If you made these muffins or have any questions, please write to me in the comments. If you enjoyed my teaching style, liking and subscribing is the best support and helps this video reach more people. Until the next video, take care.